everybody, how y'all doing today? I just wanted to get on here. You gotta excuse my appearance. It's Saturday. I'm about to clean. I have nowhere to go, nothing to do. I need to get my hair done, but I'm about to tackle the kitchen, which is a mess. Throughout the week I haven't had a chance to clean up, so I'm about to tackle that mess in the kitchen now. So there's no need for me to have full face hair done, but I do have my lip gloss on because my lips are too nice and luscious to be dry and cracked and crusty. What Martin say to Gina? Give me the luscious. So this is all you're getting today because I'm about to get down and dirty in that kitchen. But before I start, I was thinking, this is tax season. And for my first-time home buyers, I wonder if they are aware of two deductions now. I'm going to do a video where I discuss other benefits of homeownership in terms of taxes, but there are two deductions that you should be aware of when you file your taxes this year if you're a first-time home buyer or if you're a first-time home buyer in 2024. This is 2025, but there are two. For those of you who don't know what a deduction is an incentive when you do your taxes. A deduction is the amount that you can subtract from your income that will lower your income and therefore lower the amount that you have to pay taxes on. So deductions lower your income, therefore lowering your taxes. One deduction that you can take as a homeowner is your real estate or property taxes. You could deduct those amounts up to $10,000 from your taxes. That's a good thing. Another deduction you can take is your mortgage interest deduction. So if you have a loan on your mortgage, you could deduct the interest that you pay towards paying back that loan to the lender up to certain limits. As of this video, you could deduct up to $750,000 of your mortgage debt. You could deduct the interest that you paid on that amount from your taxes. To claim both of these deductions, you have to itemize your deduction. So you have to use the Schedule A on the 1040 form when you file your taxes. So that is my public service announcement to you. And in addition, for those who don't own a home yet, that tax return will make a great down payment for your new home. Give me a call. We could talk. Let's talk about that. So let me go ahead and tackle this kitchen. Hope you all are having a great day, and I'll be back soon. you.